Now, after you do your dusting, your wipe down, next you can do is dump your trash, okay? When some people start first with the trash, it's up to you how you want to start. If you have a partner, somebody could be wiping down while the other person is doing the trash, or you can do both. Personally, I used to do both. So while I was wiping down, you pick this trash can up. If it's just paper in here, dump it in, put this back, keep pushing, go wipe down, dump the trash in the next section. If they have anything wet in here, anything with gum in there, all right? Anything that's stained in the trash can at all, soil, any type of wetness, simply take the trash bag out, drop it in, put you a new trash bag in, all right? Now this is an old school trick. And the trick was, by the way, leaving extra trash bags at the bottom. So maybe every Monday, once a week, you just leave all the trash bags at the bottom of the bag. Now that can backfire too, because sometimes people put open sodas inside of the bag and it'll leak through the bag and it'll tear up every bag.